Howdy crew, going to be unboxing another thing for the GoPro for the welding rig. Let's get to it. Howdy crew, I'm William Morris, President and CEO of the Welding Cowboy Corporation, certified licensed welder and owner-operator of a welding rig based out of Los Angeles, California. On here I'll be going over welding knowledge, what it's like to own and operate a welding rig, welding blueprints, welding math, welding equipment, and so much more. Welcome to the channel. I'm William Morris, the Welding Cowboy. So I'm just going to go ahead and dive in, open this critter up so y'all can see a little bit better, get this bag out of the way. So this is magnetic door and power cable kit. Reason I wanted this is so that way if the GoPro is out in the elements more and it needs to be charged and continually be charged as it's recording, whatnots were on standby, I wanted this so that way it's not having the door open and the port exposed. This critter out. Alright, so instructions are normally pretty good. There we go. Alright, so here is the magnetic little door. There's the cable and a longer cable. That's perfect. I like that. So it has a short cable and a longer cable. That's wonderful. And then a medium length, so that's good too. Magnetic door just goes right on there. I think that's going to be pretty good. And again, this is actually from GoPro. And so here's the little door that normally swings up. It has this piece that goes into the charging port area, and then this little magnet piece goes right over it. It turns around and it clicks right in there. It even has the little ridges there that fit right in here, so that's fantastic. And it just sits in there, so that's perfect. It'll just sit right on the GoPro, and there's 3 different lengths, which is wonderful. I'm very happy with that. I did not know it came with multiple cords, and this is actual GoPro accessories. This isn't knockoff brands. This is actual accessory stuff from GoPro that I purchased off their GoPro site on Amazon. So I'm very excited to get this on there and to get using it. See you all in the next vlog.